Imagine being at the heart of one of the most controversial cases in modern legal history, now frozen in its tracks as new battles erupt in court. Stay tuned because today we unravel the twists and turns of the hush money saga. Hello and welcome to Brave Voice. Today we delve into a high-profile legal battle that's gripping headlines worldwide. The hush money case that has now been put on pause as prosecutors fight to overturn a bid to quash a conviction. This case revolves around brief context of the case, e.g., payments allegedly made to silence damaging information. It has already stirred waves of public debate, with some seeing it as a watershed moment for accountability, while others argue it's a politicized legal overreach. The latest development: the case is temporarily on hold. Why? Prosecutors are fiercely contesting an effort to dismiss a conviction linked to this scandal. But what's at stake here isn't just the fate of one individual, it's the precedent this case could set for how justice is handled in high-profile financial misconduct. Legal experts are weighing in on both sides. Some believe this pause gives prosecutors a critical chance to strengthen their case, while others argue it signals a sign of procedural overcomplication that could lead to an eventual dismissal. Now, let's talk implications. If the conviction is quashed, it could embolden individuals involved in similar cases to seek similar outcomes. On the flip side, a successful prosecution would reinforce the importance of accountability at the highest levels. So, what happens next? The courts are set to reconvene soon, and all eyes will be on the evidence and arguments that both sides bring forward. This case is far from over, and the ripple effects are likely to be felt for years to come. Now, let's dive deeper into the arguments being presented. Prosecutors argue that the original conviction was sound, backed by credible evidence and consistent with legal standards. They emphasize that overturning this decision could undermine trust in the judicial process, sending a dangerous message that accountability can be evaded with enough legal maneuvering. On the other hand, the defense team claims that critical procedural errors during the trial unfairly influenced the outcome. They're pointing to alleged mishandling of evidence and potential bias as reasons to quash the conviction entirely. It's a classic clash between due process and the pursuit of justice, and the stakes couldn't be higher. But this case is not happening in isolation. The public reaction has been intense. Supporters of the prosecution are calling for stricter oversight of such high-profile cases to prevent them from being derailed, while critics are raising questions about fairness, especially when power and money are in play. As this legal battle unfolds, it's important to remember the broader context. Cases like this set the tone for how society addresses corruption, financial crimes, and the influence of wealth on justice. This isn't just about one individual or one decision. It's about the kind of legal system we want to see moving forward. Now, let's look ahead. If prosecutors succeed, the case will proceed to its next phase, potentially leading to further scrutiny and even new charges. If the defense prevails, it could mark the end of this chapter, but not without leaving a trail of questions about accountability and the power of the legal system. So, what can we expect next? Court hearings are likely to intensify, with both sides presenting compelling arguments to sway the decision. This pause is temporary, but the outcome will have a lasting impact. Here at Brave Voice, we'll continue to bring you the latest updates as this story develops. Don't miss a beat. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to stay informed. Before we sign off, we'd love to hear from you. Do you think the justice system is equipped to handle cases of this magnitude? Or does this situation highlight a need for reform? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching Brave Voice. Until next time, stay informed and stay brave.